Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with the third in the series of making some goodie bags, gift bags, treat bags, whatever you want to call them. I used this paper pad, and as I mentioned in the other videos, I had 16 pages left, and I wanted just to kill the paper pad, so the quickest way for me was to go ahead and make some bags out of them. And I used the little cut aparts, and then I also punched out a whole bunch of different shapes with some punches, and I just decorated the bags with them. And I've already showed you 2 sets. So this is the third set of 4. And I will show you what those look like. And again, each one of them is going to be totally different. And again, this is just so when I send out some goodies, I have some bags already made up in my stash. And these have the postage cut at the top with a Creative Memories blade. And not just whimsical. Nothing... No rhyme or reason to any of the designs. Like I said, I'm homesick and I'm just like, I'm trying to kill some paper pads, trying to get some stash made up so that when the stuff comes up, I already have it. So let me show you all of those. For again, that one, that one, that one, and that one. In my last video, I also forgot to show all of these out. Of the last 4. And I have one more video. When I finish the last 4, I will come back with that, and then I will show you all of them again. But thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and commenting. I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.